Is it too late to start hair loss treatment? Well, you may have put it off for various reasons, including monetary considerations or just denial, of course. But now that you're ready to do it, is it too late? Well, the important thing to do is really undergo a physical exam to see what's going on with the scalp under the microscope. It almost doesn't matter what stage of hair loss you are, it just depends on what the physical exam shows. So when we look at the scalp, what we want to see is evidence of live follicles. So to the naked eye, there might be some areas that look completely bald. But when you come to the office and we examine the scalp properly with a microscope, sometimes what we see are actually small follicles that are viable and that can be revived. To the naked eye, most people will look like they have a full head of hair if they have 50% or greater coverage of their hair. Once they go below that, less than 50%, it starts looking like there's hair loss. So what we're trying to achieve with this hair loss regimen or hair growth regimen is to get those incremental percentages of growth so that you can get above that 50%. So to the naked eye, it looks like you have a full head of hair. It may not be too late for you. So please give us a call. I'm Dr. Galope from Lasting Impression Medical Aesthetics. Please set up a consultation. We just have to do the physical exam to see what's going on, and I'll be happy to tailor a program for you.